How to make Facebook show all comments by default. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can make Facebook show all of the comments by default. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Facebook in your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're here, tap on your profile at the top right with the 3-line icon. That's gonna land you on your menu piece. Here, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you're under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and you could head over to audience and visibility section. There, tap on followers and public content. Now there is an option that says show most relevant comment first. By default, this toggle will be turned on. It says when comment ranking is turned on, you will see the most relevant comments for your post first. Now, in order to make Facebook show all of the comments by default, all you have to do is turn off this toggle right here. Now all of your comments on your Facebook account will be shown. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.